Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alston Menezes.
I'm Tyler Vaughn.
My name is Mohammed Mustafa Khan, and today we're going to be presenting our DelayWatch application. So we created this application on Android Studio, and we will be using Firebase as our user authentication database. So here is the front login screen for our application, and if you already have an account, you can choose to log in. You can also view current delays here if you do not wish to create an account. And if you do wish to create an account, you can click register here to create an account. So for the purpose of testing, I'll be creating a test account. So I will give it an email. I will also give it a password. Now, once I click register, it will register this account into my Firebase database. As you can see, test is listed here as a user now. So if I try logging in as test with, and say an incorrect password, it should give me an error. So error, password's invalid. So now when I try the correct password, it should log in and should lead me to the Google Maps API screen. And Tyler created this so he can take over.
All right, so the main purpose of this was to be able to view the user's route of travel, so where they want to go. So to start off, if you could type in the address station. So let's just say we want to go to Kipling Station, and you just hit enter. Hit enter. Right. Like enter key on your keyboard. And if you can zoom out, you can see it shows us all the way to just take line 1 the whole way. This is all of line 1 if you were to zoom in and look at it. And the other test cases I was responsible for was to make a timer and to make being able to like start the timer and end the timer. So if you just click start trip, it should start a timer, and then this timer would end. Like you can end it at any point, and that would then send it time to the database. And also, we were supposed to be able to update our delay schedule based, or our travel where we're going based off the delay schedule, but we didn't get that done since that would have been a lot more work to be able to do that, and we just did not have enough time to have that to have the test cases for those to be done. And that's basically it for my part, and Alston created view delays.
So if you click on this button right here, it will show the current delays that are going on in TDC. So
Yep. Thank you. So yes, this is the unplanned delays tab, and it will only show the active delays. So if you hit update, it will refresh the delay page, and it is currently showing all of the current delays on the TTC. This data is being parsed directly from the TTC delays website. Our original test case was to use the TDC's Twitter page to parse the information. However, there was a lot of background work that had to be done, which included creating a Twitter developer account to access their API. And all of that would take time, which I honestly did not know how long it would take for Twitter to get back. So I decided to use the next best alternative, which was the actual TDC website that posts the exact same information. So I directly am parsing that information, like I mentioned here, and each block of text that starts with service alert is indicating a new service alert that is there. And all these service alerts, as the title indicates, is an unplanned delay. So yeah, that is basically how it works. And the user can go back to the initial page prior to logging in and can access the same view delays page. So yeah, right here, before logging in, there's no need to log in. You can just access by clicking on the view delay page, and it will take you to the same website, to the same page of the app where you can click on update, and it will still show you the exact same update. And yes, this is in live time, and it has to be connected to Wi-Fi. So whenever there's a new update, the user will have to click on update, and it will refresh the page with the most updated unplanned delays.
So
And the user will also have to have their location permissions on as well. When you first run the app, it will ask you for that.
yeah, we have implemented multiple things in the manifest that will notify the user what we're collecting and what uh, whatever data we might be using, and all of that's listed in the manifest and first time when we open the app.
Yep, and all of that will be reflected in our report.
So that is all for our demo for our DelayWatch application. We hope this was a good introduction to our app, our prototype working app. We hope you have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.